We've got a really fun project for you to make today, and it's simple because it only uses felt and wool. It's this lion costume, complete with mane and tail. And we used a sewing machine to make it, but you could also sew it by hand. Now, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new content. Keep watching and we'll show you how to make this. You will need about 5 sheets of brown felt and 5 in shades of cream and yellow wool, a glue gun, sewing thread and pins. To make a base for the lion hair, pin 2 sheets of felt together along the long edge. Then open up and place on top of the head. Pinch and pin the felt so that it fits nicely around the head. Then sew along where you've pinned and trim away the excess felt. Cut the corners off to create a nice curved edge. Turn the hat out and pull at the seams to make a nice smooth surface to be able to glue onto. Cut strips of felt in different shades of yellow and brown for the hair. These should be about 10 centimetres long and 2 centimetres wide, but it doesn't have to be precise. Glue the strips onto the hat, start at the base and work up to the top. For the front, start a few inches up from the bottom to allow for a fringe. Lay up the felt so that the whole hat is covered. Draw an ear shape onto a remaining scrap of brown felt. Fold the felt and cut 2 ears, then cut around this to create 2 more. Draw around the ear onto some cream felt. Fold and cut out 2 inner ear shapes that are about 5mm smaller than the outline. Glue the cream felt onto the brown felt, then glue the 2 ears together. Trim away any excess felt. Put pins onto the hat where you want the ears to be, then glue the ears in place, careful not to get any hair trapped. Snip into the felt to make the strands of hair a bit thinner. To make the tail, fold a piece of brown felt 6 centimetres along the length and pin in place. Sew along the side, then turn out. Wrap yellow wool around a book about 50 times. Remove and cut through one end of the loops. Insert the bundle into the tail, pin and sew to secure. If you like, you can pad the tail out with leftover scraps of felt or stuffing. Sew the tail onto the top of a pair of brown trousers. Sew loosely so that you can easily remove it afterwards. To complete the look, we dressed our little lion in a cream jumper and painted on a brown nose with black lips and whiskers. There are loads more costume ideas over on the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub, so go and check them out. Thanks for watching!